Well, dear students, yesterday we have done the last problem. You please concentrate your attention on the last problem I have done because I am going to work out the same similar problem today. Please write down the problem. If minus 4 is a root of the equation x squared plus px minus 4 equals 0. Note sir, I can't idea. If minus 4 is a root of the equation x squared plus px minus 4 equals 0 and the equation x squared plus px plus k equals 0 has equals 0 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ x square plus px plus k equals 0 has equal roots find the value of k ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯಬೇಕು. Please understand. Once again they have just given minus 4 as one of the roots of the equation. I think I told you yesterday, if minus 4 is a root, when I substitute this one in that equation, it must be left hand side must be equal to right hand side. Thereby, we can get the value of p. We will do that one. Now we will write the equation as it is. X squared, write down x squared plus px minus 4 equals 0. That is the given equation. What is it they have given? They have given minus 4 is a root. Given minus 4 is a root of the equation. Therefore, instead of x, I put minus 4. What is x squared equal to? Minus 4 the whole square plus px. P into minus 4 equals 0. I have substituted in the equation for x as minus 4. And then I simplify. What is minus 4 the whole square? It is plus 16. Minus 4p. 4 into p is minus 4 to be minus 4p. Minus 4 equals 0. Nodi, a step I have only simplified. 16 minus 4p minus 4 equals 0. Still I simplify. Minus 4p plus 12 equals 0. Why plus 12? 16 minus 4 is equal to plus 12. Transfer plus 12 to right hand side. What do you get? Minus 4p is equal to minus 12. Please see that. Minus 4p equals minus 12. Minus is common on both sides. You can cancel it. Therefore, the value of p is now equal to 12 by 4. What is the value of 12 by 4? That is 3. I have found out the value of p as 3. I have found out the value of p as 3. ಆ p 3 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ you must substitute for p in the equation. In the second equation ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Now x square plus px plus k equals 0. That is the equation. This equation has equal roots. But I do not know the value of p ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಈಗ p ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. What is the value of p? P is equal to 3. Substitute for p as 3. What do you get? Equation become x squared plus 3x plus k equals 0. I hope you understood. What is it they have given? The roots are either equation though. The roots are equal. Given that, I told you, I use the word G, of course, the symbol GT. Given that, the roots are equal. You must write that one. Given that, the roots are equal. When the roots are equal, what is the condition there? If the roots are equal, b square minus 4ac must be equal to 0. Therefore, b square minus 4ac equals 0. I write it. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is the next step? I substitute for a, b and c to get the value of k. What is b? Analyze Mari. Here a equals 1. What is the value of b? b equals 3. c equals k. You please see that. Is it true or not? A is equal to 1, b equals 3 and c takes the value of k. Substitute. What is b square? That is 3 square minus 4ac. 4 into 1 into k equals 0. See that? 3 squared, that is b squared, minus 4ac. 4 into 1 into k equals 0. Simplify. What is 3 squared? 9 minus 4k equals 0. 9 minus 4k equals 0. Then transfer minus 4k to that side. What will it become? Or you can put 9 in a cursive. Minus 4k is equal to minus 9 because you are not used to it. Minus 4k is equal to minus 9. Minus is common. You can cancel it. Then what is the value of k? K will be equal to 9 by 4. The value of k equals 9 by 4. Same similar problem. Last problem ಮಾಡಿದ So I just given you like that only. What is the value of k? K equals 9 by 4. I hope you understood. We have to work out the problem once again at home to make it clear. Now I shall take the next problem. Now the next variety of problem now I am taking is altogether different. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ? ರೂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. I have just given you the factor. Please, it's also another variety of problem. Write down the equation. If x minus 2 is a factor of the equation x squared plus ax plus b equals 0. If x minus 2 is a factor of the equation, what? X squared plus ax plus b equals 0. And another condition is a plus b equals 1. Find the values of a and b. Okay. Now instead of giving the root, they have given the factor. From the factor, you know how to get the root. That is put x minus 2 equals 0. When it is a factor, x minus 2 must be equal to 0. Write down. Put x minus 2 equals 0. Therefore, what is the value of x? X is equal to 2. Now, x becomes 2 is one of the roots of the quadratic equation. It becomes an old problem. Notice, if x is equal to 2, they have given x minus 2 is a factor. Equate that factor to 0 to get the root. X is equal to what? 2. Write the equation. What is the given equation? X squared plus ax plus b equals 0. So given that x minus 2 is 0, that is x minus 2 is a root, that is x minus 2 equals 0, x is equal to 2. Factor completed there and the root bantu. Put 2 for x here. Substitute for x. Put 2 in the place of x. Now, detail the place of x. Put 2 in the place of x to get the values of not the value, another equation. Alright, when you put 2 there, x squared will become 2 square. Then ax will become a into 2 plus b equals 0. ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಮಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. x ಮಾತ್ರ 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. x squared ಇಂದ 2 squared ಆಯಿತು plus ax ಅಂದರೆ a into 2 plus b equals 0. Simplify it. What do you get? 4 plus a into 2 is 2a plus b equals 0. 4 plus 2a plus b equals 0. Then transfer 4 to the right hand side. What do you get? 2a plus b is equal to minus 4. It becomes one of the equations. 2a plus b equals minus 4. Go to the problem. They are given another equation there. And a plus b is equal to 1. And a plus b equals 1. You have to pair this one with this equation to get the value of a and b. That is simultaneous equations. So write down. Now given given a plus b is equal to 1. Now you have found out 2a plus b is equal to minus 4. See that? They are given a plus b equals 1. Now we have found out the equation there as 2a plus b equals minus 4 by substituting in the equation there for x as a 2. ಇದು ಬಂದಿದೆ as a 2 ನ 4 ಆಗ 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಈಗ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ plus 2a will become minus 2a, plus b will become minus b, minus 4 will become plus. When you subtract, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Then add. Plus b cancels with minus b. See that? Plus b cancels with minus b. And then what is left over? Minus 2a plus a. Minus a equals. See now? On the left hand side, I am left with minus a. On the right hand side, plus 4, then plus 1. What is plus 4 plus 1? That is plus 5. Minus a is equal to 5. Therefore, what is the of a? A equals minus 5. So, I have found out the value of a as minus 5. Then I can easily find out the other value. That is value of b. They are given again ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Again, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೇನವರು a plus b equals 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Right? A plus b equals 1. We have found out the value of b a already. What is the value of a? A is minus 5. Substitute for a in that equation. Instead of a, I put minus 5 plus b is equal to 1. Minus 5 plus b is equal to 1. Transfer minus 5 to the right hand side. What will it become? B will be equal to 1 plus 5. What is 1 plus 5 equal to? 6. Therefore, what is the value of a? A equals minus 5. What is the value of b? B equals 6. They have asked us to calculate the values of a and b. ನೋಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಹಾದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಇದೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಎರಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೆದರ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬಂತು, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನು ಎರಡನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you just get the values of a and b. Please work out the problem again. Then I shall go to the next problem. I hope you have understood. Now I'll just take the next problem. That's an easy problem, but you have to do it. It is only solve. Now you see, solve. Solve. Let us see if it is possible for us to do by which one factorization we will do it. If it is not possible, we will adopt which one the formula method. ಇದು ಎರಡೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾವು ಮೆಥಡ್. ಐದರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ we will just go to the formula method. Okay. First of all, write down the equation. Solve. A into x square plus 1 is equal to x into a square plus 1. Okay. Write the problem again. A into x square plus 1 is equal to x into a square plus 1. Remove the bracket. Ax squared plus a equals a squared x plus x. You see that? Now, what's it have done? I have removed the bracket on both sides. A into x square plus 1 means ax square plus a. On the right hand side, I am having x into a square plus 1. Remove it, you get a squared x plus which one? X. Bring it to the standard form. ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ನೀವು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಂದ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 0. ಇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಏನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ to the left hand side. It will become minus a square x. Am I right? On the left hand side I am having a plus a ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. x is on the right hand side. I am transferring it to left hand side. It becomes minus x equals 0. I group them and factorize. I can find out very easy. Now, I group them and factorize. What is the common factor? In the first two terms there, ax is a common factor. Am I right? Ax. Take it actually. Suppose you take out ax as a common factor. I get what you get? X minus a. X minus a, if I am right. Am I right? Nodi correcta? Ax into x is, remove my bracket na. Ax into x is ax squared. Ax into minus a is a squared x. Correct. Next one, plus a minus x ಇದೆ. Minus 1 common ತೆಗೀರಿ. ಆವಾಗ x minus a equals 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು minus x plus a ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ನ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಐ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೈನ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೈನ್ into ax minus 1 equals 0. This is the easy method. Notice once again. Then factors ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. Factorization is over. Equate each factor equal to 0. That means it means x minus a equals 0 or ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ax minus 1 equals 0. See that? x minus a equals 0 and ax minus 1 equals 0. x minus a equals 0 and artha eno? X is equal to a. So one of the roots is a. X minus a equals 0, x is equal to a. Next one is ax minus 1 equals 0 ide. Ax is equal to 1 because minus 1 when it stands for the right hand side will become plus 1, but I have to find out the value of x. Therefore x is equal to 1 by a. See that? Therefore, what are the two roots of the equation? A and 1 by a are the roots of the equation. I hope it's a very easy problem. And you should not just go confused. And you must just take minus common factor. When you take out the minus common factor, first x ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ minus ಬರಿಬೇಕು. And then once again there is a common factor. That means you will have to make use of your common sense. That's all. Then we'll just go to perhaps the last problem of that day, or last but one problem, I can actually say, but last but one problem. Now here, same kind of problem, you find that 36, right, solve 36x squared minus 12ax plus of a squared minus b squared equals 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ax square plus bx plus c. Then I shall write out the values of a, b and c. Write down. Here, further equation once again. Solve 36x squared minus 12ax plus of a squared minus b squared equals 0. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. I think you have written. Now, come on, write down the values of a, b and c. ನಾನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ನೀನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ದೆ ಬರೀರಿ. a here, a is equal to 36. Then b equals minus 12a. c equals a squared minus b squared. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಬಂತೋ ಐ ಪುಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್. ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಸಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? 36. 36x ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 36. ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ minus 12a. ನೋಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ minus 12a. And plus of what then? C equals a squared minus b squared equals 0. Then apply the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to martira minus b plus or minus. square root of b squared minus 4ac. It is called discriminant divided by 2a. 2a. I hope understood. ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಗೋಜ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಬದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅಂದರೆ, I shall first of all find out the value of b square minus 4ac separately. I hope you understood. I shall find out the value of b square minus 4ac separately. And then I shall substitute. Okay? Alright. Write down. b square minus 4ac equals. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. b square minus 4ac. What is the value of b? Value of b is minus 12a. b square means minus 12a the whole square. See that? b square is minus 12a the whole square. Minus 4ac. 4 into a means what? 36 into a square minus b square. See that? b square minus 4ac. 4 into a into c. Substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆಯಾ? 4 into 36 into a square minus b square. Simplified further. What is minus 12a the whole square? 144a square. Minus will become plus. Minus 12a the whole square is plus 144a square ಆಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇರಲಿ. Minus 36 into 4 is how much? 144. Again. Minus 36 into 4 is 144. Into a square minus b square. ಏನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. 36 into 4 is 44. Then I shall simplify it further. I remove the bracket. What do I get? That is equal to 144a square. Remove the bracket. Minus 144a square. Plus 144b square. ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲಿ? minus 144 into minus b square is plus 144b square ಆಯಿತು. Which will be cancelled. 144a square minus 144a square cancel ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. What do you get here? You just get 144b square. That means the value of b square minus 4ac reduces to 144b square. ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4ac ಬದಲು ಏನನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? 144b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. ಈಗ ಹಾಕಿ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ x is equal to minus b. b ಬದಲು ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? minus 12a. Minus of minus 12a. Value of b itself is minus 12a. Minus of minus 12a. Plus or minus ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4ac ಇದೆ. ಅದರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು? ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4ac I write 144b square. Whole divided by 2a. 2 into a is 36. 2a. 2 into 36. The rest is left you to which one? Simplify correctly. Or x is equal to minus into minus is how much? Plus 12a ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. Minus of minus 12 will become plus 12a. Plus or minus, it is a perfect square. Square root of 144b square means it is a perfect square. 12b. I shall take up 12b. Correct? Square root of 144b square is 12b. Divided by 2 into 36 is how much? 72. See, that is 72. Then write them separately. The y-x is equal to, or ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್? ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? 12 ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡಿ. 12 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಗೆಟ್? a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 72 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 12a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 12b ಇದೆ. 12 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 72 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 12 by 72 means 12 6 or 72, you can cancel it. See that? 12 6 or 72. That means ಈಗ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡಬಹುದು. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು? therefore x is equal to ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಪಾನ್ 6 ಒಂದು ರೂಟು, ಆರ್ a ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಪಾನ್ 6. They are the two roots of the equation. You see that? ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಬೈ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಬೈ ಸಿಕ್ಸು ಅಥವಾ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಬೈ ಸಿಕ್ಸು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು? ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4ac ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಈಸಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಉದ್ದ ಆಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಡ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್. We shall go to the last problem of that day. I hope you, once again you have to work out the same. I am working out the different varieties of problems, you must know that. The last variety of the problem which I am working out today is, write down, square root of 2x plus 9 is equal to 13 minus x. ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2x plus 9 is equal to 13 minus x. What exactly you have to write down? I hope you have written. Then, what is it that you have to do? You have to remove the square root. How to remove the square root? If you square both sides, square root will go. I think you know that. Root 2, bandre, root 2 into root 2 is 2. You have done it last year. What is root a into root a? A, because root of a squared is a. Root of ab into root of ab. What is it equal to? ab. Am I right? Therefore, like that, squaring both sides, write down. Squaring both sides we get. Write down that one. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides we get. ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Squaring on both sides ಅಥವಾ squaring both sides we get. Square ಮಾಡಿ. Square root of 2x plus 9 the whole square equals 13 minus x the whole square. ನೋಡಿ, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯವ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್? ಓನ್ಲಿ 2x plus 9. That is the beauty of that one. Square root of 2x plus 9 the whole square means square root ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. You have to write down whatever the thing that is under the square root, you have to write it. Here it is 2x plus 9. I write it as 2x plus 9. That's equal to 13 minus x the whole square is a minus b the whole square expansion. What is a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now do it. What is 13 square? 169. Minus 2ab, 2 into 13 into x, that is 26x plus x square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Then you have to bring it to the standard form. What is standard form? Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Then you can just do it. Then you have to do it. So x squared is on the right hand side. Plus ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ transfer all the left hand side terms to the right hand side. What will it become? First na x squared ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ನೋಡಿ, right hand side ಬರೀತೀನಿ x squared. Then minus 26x ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2x ಅನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 2x. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 26x ಮೈನಸ್ 2x. ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 169 ಇದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ 169 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 169 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದು? ಮೈನಸ್ 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 20. ನೋಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 26x ಇದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ 26x ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೆನ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್? ಮೈನಸ್ 2x. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2x ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2x. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ 169 ಇದೆ, ಐ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ 169. Then I transfer plus 9 to the right hand side. What will become? Minus 9. I hope I understood this one. And then change my answer. Minus 9 plus 169. In tapila. Simplify further. It becomes equal to x squared minus 28x. Then plus 160 equals 0. Notice sir. Trinomial ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. x squared minus 28x plus 160 equals 0. It's a trinomial. You know it. ನೋಡಿ, ಮಧ್ಯದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬರೋ ಎರಡು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನು. ಸೊ 160 ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ 28 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 28 160 ಮೈನಸ್ 20 ಮೈನಸ್ 8 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. minus 20 minus 8 and add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 28 minus 20 into minus 8 is plus 160. I hope you understood this one. Then you can just do it completely. X square minus 20x ಅನ್ನ minus 20x minus 8x ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ plus 160 equals 0. ಇದು ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. Group them and factorize. Group them and factorize. X into x minus 20 ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರ. ಏನು ತುಂಬ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. X minus 20x means x into x minus 20 minus 8 times minus ಕಾಮನ್ 3ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನು ತೆಗೆಯಬೇಕು, minus 8 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೈನು, x minus 20 equals 0. Minus 8 into x minus 20 equals 0. What is the common factor again? The common factor is again x minus 20. Take it out. X minus 20 into x minus 8 equals 0. Over. Equate each factor equal to 0. X minus 20 equals 0. R ಬೇಕು ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. X minus 8 equals 0. X minus 20 equals 0 or x minus 8 equals 0. Transfer minus 20 to the right hand side, x will become equal to plus 20. That is one root. And x minus 8 equals 0 ಆದರೆ x is equal to 8 is another root. So 20 and 8 are the roots of the equation. Solve ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. You have to find out the roots. X is equal to either 20 or 8. They are the two roots of the equation. What are the two roots? 20 and 8. Thank you, students. Tomorrow I'll just take up a few more problems of different varieties and I'll just do it. Most probably the fraction type, I'll just take it and you must do these problems. ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು a number of problems to work out at home. You just try to work out the problems and then we can just discuss. Okay, till then, good evening to all of you. Thank you.